Hello, it's Helen Godden back again for our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long, and it's December 4 and we're working on this petal here that comes down and just touches onto that green leaf. What I am going to do is grab that friction pen and again give myself a centre line. This time it is fairly straight and I'm going to work a teardrop design into that particular petal. Gotta say, I'm enjoying this capri. The inside table is very smooth and makes the quilt move and slide very easily. I've actually got it in manual mode, not regulated. I'm just sort of working my way up to that. Let's have a look at this one. I'm going to do a teardrop shape. So that centre line helps me know when to change direction to give myself that lovely teardrop shape. But I pause my hands ever so slightly at that point there, and that way the needle does a few extra stitches and we get that nice sharp change of direction. Now we ended up off centre there, but once I've ironed away that friction pen, it actually gives the petal a bit more of a turned and twisted look. So I think that's fine. Let me know how you're going with all your different styles. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow for December 5 for our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. See you later. Bye.